Awekaze Kings Buddha P. Run IVP. Okay, let's go, man. The king is back, Baba. Chung. Hey, I took a long break, listen just I celebrate. They thought I'm going for good, ngeke ngibuye kule game. Bayitshela ukuthi ngiphelelwa kanti ngisa elevate. I'm busy cooking lane nambi flow ibilisi calculate. This time around ukudisa mina ngize heavy mistake. Ngihlinza ngamagama, I'm on a beef and name is a steak. Plus nginyanga, I'm on inyongo ngiphethe ikhemile spade. Sa rap into ebonakalayo njengepaint ile lace. Dlala phansi thula umsindo when I step in the place. Michael Laws ithola punches right jab in the face. Angisagijimisa ikhekhe, now I'm chasing the cake. Sengilishayisa ngomoya njengeskate babes. I'm the legend, dala ngiloku ngikhila ama-bars. I'm from the streets njengosifiso wakupiano pulse. Yimunotha, ringa noma yini nginsab. You can sue me, anginafokolo ku-account. Yeah, the king is back. Yeah, the king is back. Yeah, fella, the king is back. Back, jump. How my MCs before they go crazy on my verses. The first thing about Yenzago, they listen to everything. So check if there's anything. Hang about offensive. If I shabeng a pagat, so go swash a skekul ranking. Maybe so behavior now. I don't promise anything. Gang a labum rap account. Jalo, they be testing me. Say I'm Tina Nally Crown. Multiplying enemies. They forget that I'm called to death and the winds against cemeteries. I'm the beast in this rapping shit. I've been feasting on every kid. In the streets, I'm a lyricist that don't mix with the energies. As you weak from the images. In a deal with the savages. Flow is sick and nigga, no fish, I'm allergies. Damn, burning king out with cavities. Cause who fights me next year, I'm a senior with damages. I'm a show I call, I'm a cheater, they miss the simplest strategies. So crapela na bandana like the kiddies meal packages. Tell them all the kings put a piece of this back. The season is bad, I'm killing these cats, I'm evil as that. Let's it is better keep up with the vision is dead. And since that I'm back, Papa make disease in the castle and rapping fugil. Ngapa na level in New Zealand, sa rapping the kinilung truly underpended kumpiling and jealous sugil. Lembasa that you rapping pupil and initially out of line, something like it. Pexel Poogie, like damn. For over 2 decades, Angaza and Peleland have never been booed the stage. So who's the king? Kunini ben coos and claim Lentizon Shabisang and Palm and Junior Kucha shave. Damn! I'm the king, Baba!